Good morning, everyone. I'm Maria Lynn, your tour guide today, and welcome to Intramuros, Manila, a historical province known as Manila comprises the former pre-Hispanic kingdoms of Tondo and Manila. This is the side of museum. No videos allowed, just pictures only. This is a old point, and be careful when handling and taking pictures so nothing gets damaged. Thank you for visit and come again. Good morning, everyone. I'm Maria Lynn. Welcome to Teresa Rizal, your tour guide today. This place is very peaceful and we allowed to picnic here. But your trash is put on your bag and no trash left. Attention everyone, be careful to walk because the road is uphill and is slippery. You will feel the fresh air from the trees. Thank you everyone and visit again. Good morning everyone, I'm Maria Lynn and welcome to Antipolo Cathedral, the house of Inang Birhen, your tour guide today. This is the front of Antipolo Cathedral and we come inside. This is the view of the inside of the church. Very beautiful and clean. And this side is a baptized area. And this side is the parking area. And thank you everyone. Be safe and visit again.